Hey Sebastian, we're going to rewind and kind of start over with your story writing. So I'm going to give you a completely separate job from the assignment that's going to be assigned for tomorrow on Thursday. I want you to complete this. So the first thing we needed to do was we have to draw and name one character. So that's what I did. So here's my character. And her name is Sophia, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about her. I said that she is kind, caring, and a little bit bossy. So now your job is going to be to draw a character, give them a name, and tell me about your character. Just like I did with Sophia. I drew her, I told you her name, and I told you 3 things about her: that she's kind, caring, and bossy. Now I want you to do the exact same thing. Draw a picture, name your character, tell me 3 things about them, and then send me a picture of that. And when you're done and I've gotten that picture, I'm going to send you more directions on how to write the story.